Go.
Is she coming? This is the Instapot Duo SV from Costco.
Go.
It's a 9-in-1 pressure cooker, saute pan. It has the sous vide, steamer, slow cooker, rice and grain cooker, food warmer, and yogurt maker. Quite a bit of features. It also includes approximately 6 or 7 accessories. Oh wait, I have taken mine. So this is sold in Costco, I believe exclusively, but I'm not sure. And it has the sous vide component. I've never cooked sous vide before, so I don't know what it entails. It comes with a getting started guide, and then the warranty and maintenance manual. Oh, very neat. Inside it comes with a little mitt to hold on to hot things. I guess it's an oven mitt slash Instapot mitt. A little measuring cup, a ladle, a rice spoon, a scooper. I'm assuming this is the power plug. I'm not sure what this is. Warning information. I believe a steamer insert. Excellent. The steel pot. And then the cooker itself. So what's a little different between this, I guess it doesn't have it only has the pressure cooker lid. It does not come with like a regular crock pot lid, but it does have a crock pot option, and I guess you would use the same lid. Can you throw this in the box? Can you throw this in the box? It comes with outside the wrapping, like I said, it's the pot, the cover, I'm sorry, the machine, the cover, the inner pot, the pot holder. This is a condensation, I guess, receptacle. This is a condensation receptacle. I guess a condensation or the extra water goes inside there and it catches it. A little measuring cup, like I said, the two, the ladle and the spoon for the rice. The steamer rack, this is also used in sous vide cooking, which, by the way, I had to look up because I had no idea what sous vide cooking is, which is another term for under vacuum, and it's to cook sealed bags of food underwater for a certain amount of temperature for a long time. This is a sealing ring that is going to have to be added to the main Instant Pot. And so now I'm going to do a test run before I actually use the pot.
So, how many meals did you cook with this?
I cooked about 2 to 3 meals with it.
So how did you like it?
I really enjoyed it. I particularly like the feature that you can cook a frozen meat in the setting for slow cooker or the pressure cooker. Actually, the pressure cooker can cook a frozen meat without having to defrost it, and it cooks it really quickly.
And overall, do you like it? Will you be using it?
I love this. A dear friend of mine got it for me. I never thought I would be using it, but she was raving about how great Instant Pots were. This particular Instant Pot has the saute feature that's at the bottom left, and you're able to brown a meat before you either slow cook it or even pressure cook it. So it's really neat for that reason. I have not tried many of the other functions, such as the rice making function, porridge, yogurt, or steaming, and I barely know what sous vide is. So I definitely have not tried that. I've used it primarily for the pressure cooking feature because it really saves me time from having to defrost meats, which I store frozen.
So you definitely will be using this a lot more. And what is the reason you would get this? You know, what is the ease of use? What is can you set something, go to work, come back, and it's already done type of thing? Is that what this is primarily for?
Well, yes, you could. Primarily, you can use it for slow cooking, but I already had a slow cooker, so that wasn't the primary function. For me, the pressure cooking function was the primary function. I grew up in a household where my mother used a pressure cooker, but I was always scared to actually use one. And this is the new modern version of pressure cookers, and it's not intimidating. I had said I would purchase one because I was going to try to make beans straight out of a bag as opposed to cooking them. And when you cook beans from a bag, you either have to soak them overnight or you pressure cook them in order to cook them quickly. I have not yet used that function, but that in my head had been my primary purpose. Again, like I said, for a practical purpose that I've used often is the pressure cooking frozen chicken, frozen meats relatively quickly.
So when you say pressure, I don't know anything. I don't cook, of course, you know that. So when you say pressure cookers, I'm assuming, is it because it actually does create a lot of pressure and you can use it and it could actually explode?
Oh yeah, so pressure cookers traditionally, that's why they're called pressure cookers. They use a lot of pressure, and yes, some have malfunctioned and exploded in the past. Hearing it when I was younger, but this is a new modern version, and it just makes it a little bit user friendly. than the one I was growing up with, which were not electric pressure cookers. This is an electric pressure cooker, and it's simpler to use. It has the same venting, but in an easier way. I don't remember what the old pressure cookers were like, but they were huge steel pots. This is different. And then again, you're able to use the other purposes. I hear that it does rice very well, and speaking to people who've actually used it, they love the rice feature, they love the soup feature. There's a chili feature, which I have not yet used. I have used the saute and the slow cooking and the pressure cooking feature.
So now, you say you already had something like this before?
I had a slow cooker, and it was just a slow cooker. So this is a slow cooker plus about 9 other different kind of machines in one.
Okay. So this is pretty much good for anybody who cooks.
Yes, anybody who loves to cook, likes to cook, or wants to try cooking, this is a great device.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the video. You have anything else to say?
No.
Okay, that was my wife and her view on the pressure cooker or what, am I saying it correctly? Instapot pressure duo cooker?
Instant Pot.
Instant Pot Duo SV pressure cooker, and that's her view on it, and she loves it. Okay, that's all I have to say. Anything else? Nothing?
So it's pretty much called an Instant Pot. That's what people know it as. But it does all those different
things.
Different type of cooking. Yes.
Okay. All right, so I hope the video was helpful. I hope it was informative. Thank you. Bye. Want to say bye?
Bye.
Want to say bye?
Bye.
And what else do you want to say?
Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe the video.
Thank you. Bye.
Also subscribe to the Gizmos.
Okay, and to the guest. Bye.
Instant Pot Duo SV 6 quarts multi-use pressure cooker for Instant Pot Duo SV 6 quarts multi-use pressure cooker. Item number 2,226,685, model number 11295-1. Cost $89.99. Costco. https://www.costco.com/instant-pot-duo-sv-6 multi-use pressure cooker product. 100,492,932 HTML. Features: one-touch controls, smart programs, remember cooking times and temperature, large capacity, stainless steel inner part to cook meals for the whole family, safe. 10+ built-in safety features including overheat protection includes extra sealing ring, stainless steel rack, measuring cup, silicone mitts, serving utensils. Product details. Product details have been supplied by the manufacturer and are hosted by a third party. Duo SV multi-use 9-in-1, 6-quart pressure cooker, our fastest instant pot ever. Pressure cook fast and flexible cooking. High pressure reduces cooking time by up to 70% and low pressure avoids overcooking delicate food. Slow cook delicious stews, casseroles and more. Prepare tastier, more tender meats and vegetables that are never overcooked. Rice cooker, enjoy fluffy, tender rice every time. Make all types of rice, brown, white, jasmine and more. Delicious and foolproof. Yogurt maker, treat yourself to creamy, homemade yogurt. Sous vide, prepare chef quality meals on autopilot. Delay start and keep warm. Use the delay start and keep warm buttons to ensure dinner's ready when you want it to be. All the accessories you need to get cooking. Stainless steel inner pot, silicone mini mitts, steam rack with handles, an extra sealing ring, soup spoon, rice paddle, measuring cup, and condensation collector. Easy to use bright display, easy to use controls and easy to read icons that indicate cooking status. Make selecting smart programs and making adjustments simple. Even during cooking, find your new favorite recipes. Duo SV video. Specifications. Brand: Instant Pot. Capacity 6-quart. Color: stainless steel. Cooker type: pressure cooker. Material: stainless steel. Model 11295-1.